Good day, sir. My name is Mark Nico Quinto, and I will report this topic. Explain intact buoyancy and how ship stability will be affected when it is breached. Instant buoyancy refers to the buoyancy of a ship when all of its watertight structures like the hull and bulkheads are undamaged and fully keeping water out. In this intact condition, the ship is floating based on the volume of water it displaces. According to Archimedes' principle, stability is calculated assuming the hull is completely sealed and dry inside. Now, when an intact buoyancy is breached, say by a hull crack, collision, grounding, or explosion, water floods into a compartment that were meant to stay dry. This couple major effect on the ship stability. 1. These are example. 1. Loss of buoyancy. Flooded compartment mean less internal air volume supporting the ship weight. So the ship becomes heavier and may sink deeper into the water. And 2. Free surface effect. If the water inside the ship is free to move, like in a big open fluid compartment, it creates a dangerous free surface effect. As the ship tilts, the water shifts to worsening the tilt, reducing the metacentric height, and making the ship much more prone to capsizing. And 3. Shift in center of gravity. Flooding might cause cargo or structure to shift or simply change the internal balance, causing G to move. If G moves upward or sideward too much, the ship becomes unstable. Last, change in stability curve. The righting arm GZ curve gets smaller, meaning the ship's ability to correct a tilt heel is reduced. Severe flooding can even cause a negative GM, meaning the ship will capsize without warning. In short, breaching instant buoyancy makes the ship heavier, reduced stability, causes dangerous ship, and gently increase the risk of capsizing or sinking. And that's all for today. Thank you.